Hi there, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down the photo gallery extension. Now, photo gallery is one of those really cool extensions that lets you create beautiful albums, to showcase your brand, your products, or, behind the scenes of your product or your brand on your Bumpa website, right there on your website. And it makes your website more engaging, more personal and even more professional. The idea behind it really is that people don't just buy products, they also buy the feeling that the product gives them. And a photo gallery is a great way to help your customers imagine themselves in your brand. So, for example, if you are selling fashion items, it's a great way for your customers to really picture themselves in a piece of clothing. So whether it's, behind the scenes shots or customer photos or even a lookbook, say for example, a new collection, the photo gallery feature is designed to help your store feel very premium, trustworthy, and very, very much alive. So in this video, I'm going to quickly break down how you can set up a photo gallery in a few minutes, and it would be published right on your website and your customers can see it once they get to your website. So the first thing to do is to navigate to extensions from the menu on the left side. So once you come to extensions, select photo gallery. Please note that you do need to be subscribed to this feature before you can use it. So once you've subscribed, you would see it here. You would see it here under, my extensions. So once you get here, just click on it to open up. And then you can see here just a little note on what you can use it for and how to use it. So to set it up, come here to manage extension on the right side, click on it and go to settings. Now you can see that this has been toggled on already because we already have this photo gallery extension live on the website. So now to actually add or manage your gallery, you can click here and then you have all of this. You can click here to manage gallery settings, to name your gallery, to activate it, to see all your albums and more. And then to create a new album, just click here on create album and then you can start. So let's say, for example, we want to create an album for dresses for women. So we can just name this Beautiful Dresses. So you give the album a name for the everyday woman. So just something that, describes what your album is about. The next thing to do is to choose the layout. This is basically how the images will be displayed in this album. So here you can see 9 tiles and here you can see 6 tiles in the more landscape format. Here you can see 6 tiles but in the more portrait format. Here you can see a mix of both and some square images, and here finally just very horizontal. So depending on what you want to display, you can choose a layout for yourself. Then let's pick this layout. The next thing to do is to now upload your images. Now with this layout, you can upload as much as 9 images. So let's start uploading. Okay, so we have our first image live and you can see it displayed here. So now let's upload more images. Okay, so now you can see that we've uploaded at least 9 images. So with this X button, you can choose to delete an image. And with this plus button, you can move and rearrange images as so. So you can choose how to arrange your images, what comes first, what comes last, by just using the plus button to put it around. And then once you're done, you can either save as draft to publish later, or just click on save immediately and it is published. Now you can see here that it has been added here. You can click on this to save it as draft. So once you click on this, it is unpublished and it becomes a draft, as you can see here, and you can just click back on it to publish it. The trash icon by the side allows you to delete an album. And here you can just click on it to preview. So let's do that. Okay, so now we're on the website and we're previewing this folder, this album. So you can see here the images that we have added, and from here your customers can also immediately just shop from you. So this is what a photo album looks like in your photo gallery. So you can find your gallery by coming down here under information and clicking on gallery. Once you do that, you would see all your galleries, and this is how your customers will find it as well. So once you do that, you see all your galleries and you just select which one you want to view. So like I said earlier, this is a great way to display images about your brand that are not necessarily products. It can be behind the scenes content. It can be your customers. It could also be from your pop-up events, just things that really showcase your brand in the most interesting way. Now, make sure you subscribe to this feature and you can start using it immediately. And of course, if you want to share a photo album, all you need to do is copy the link and share with your customers, and you are good to go. Your customers will see every image in that photo album. And that's it. That's how to set up a photo album or set up photo gallery on your Bumpa website. I'll see you in the next video.